24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Number 5. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And the students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask the children to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the children is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Children, from the age of 2 to 5 years, start thinking creatively and critically, counting objects, comparing sizes, exploring patterns and shapes, analyzing and solving problems. Learning should be holistic, enjoyable, and engaging so that the students put in their best to learn. Let us start with the introduction to number 5. Students should be able to read, write, and represent number 5. Count number 5. Generate a set equal to number 5. Write number 5. Tell the children that they will be counting and writing number 5. Get them ready for the activity. Write number 5 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 5. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count, and say 5 potatoes, 5 potatoes, 5 potatoes, 5 potatoes. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Play a number game with children. Ask them to follow instructions. Clap 5 times, snap 5 times, jump 5 times, tap 5 times, etc. Write number 5. Write number 5 on the board and give instructions. Start from the red point, draw a straight line down to the middle, and draw a curved line down to the bottom. Then draw a straight line on the top. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, and match objects with number 5. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 5 with the help of dots. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board and ask to recognize 5. Reinforcement worksheet of number 5 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.